What is up, angels? So tonight we're doing the Baby Powder Pet Shampoo. So if you're ready to get started, let's do it. Hi angels, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to do the Baby Powder Pet Shampoo. So as I've stated before, we do a little bit of everything and we use almost all of our products. Everything that we can, we use. I make beard oil. I don't have a beard, but I still make it. Just as one example. So I'm going to go through the normal things of equipment that you need. Gloves, face mask, hairnet, apron. Yeah, that's it as far as that goes. And you only need all of this if you're going to be doing these to resell. If you're doing it for yourself, you don't need all of this. And then for other equipment, you need your spatula, mixing bowl. For this one, you're going to need one beaker. I guess I should have mentioned this before. You don't have to have a beaker per se. You just need something like a small cup or something would work. And then you need a pipette, one for this one. Pouring pitcher, funnel, paper towels, 91 or 70% rubbing alcohol. We prefer 91. Gram scale and or kitchen scale. And something to put it in. We sell these, so we use these bottles and lids that we get from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And then we need, oh, there it is. So we need Baby Powder fragrance oil. And we use a base from Wholesale Supplies Plus. Pet shampoo. You don't need this much to do 8 bottles, but you do need 67.5 ounces. So I don't know how many. Hang on a second. That would be four 16-ounce bottles. It's actually 4.2, so I guess you would need 5. Or you can cut this in half and do 2. So with that, we're going to go ahead and just jump right in. This one is super fast, super easy, and won't take much time at all. Okay. First thing we're going to do is measure out our base. Put the bowl on the scale, make sure it's tared to 0. Sorry, I had to pause. My daughter came in here, and my older one, she doesn't want to be on video. So, okay. Back to what we were doing. I just realized that I didn't actually have the video down so you could see what I was doing. So I apologize for that. Alright, I gotta put my mask on. Alright, we need 67.5 ounces of our base. I usually do like 63 ounces, so I don't know if 3 ounces isn't a whole lot, but I hope this bowl is big enough. Alright, so we are tared to 0, 67.5 ounces. Here we come. I know this usually takes a couple of minutes. I'm trying to squeeze the bottle to make it go faster. It's working. Oh, slow your roll there, Brittany. If you're ever doing this and you do too much, just spoon out the extra. Oh, slow it. Alright, it's a little more than half the bottle, it looks like. Alright, from this point, we just microwave it. So, we're going to microwave it for 1 minute to 2 minutes till it thins out just a little bit. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. And you want to stir it every 30 seconds. So do it in 30-second increments. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video, do that. We'll be back when it's time to do the next step. Okay, it is thinned out just a wee bit. And for my microwave, because I have a really strong microwave, it only took 1 minute. So I've 30 seconds, stir it, 30 seconds, take it out. Alright. See what I'm doing. So, as you can see, it's a little bit thinner than it was. And really what the heat does is it not only thins it out to make it easier to stir and pour into the bottles, but it also helps to trap the fragrance oil in it. So, just set this to the side for a minute. Now we need our beaker, our pipette, and the fragrance oil. And we need 0.35 of this. So beaker on scale, turn it on to tare it. And because this is such a small amount, we're just going to squeeze it out and put it in. It smells exactly like baby powder. Alright, from here, just going to add the fragrance to the bowl, stir it up, pour it in the bottles, we're done. See, easy and quick. Easy peasy. Still on video. It's facing me, they can't see you. It's actually facing down at the bowl. Fragrance oils, always change it to a white looking color. Alrighty, we are ready to pour. So these bottles are going to be filled up to 8 ounces. I'm going to put it in our pouring pitcher first. Because these bottles aren't see-through or clear, you're not going to be able to see this being filled up. It smells just like baby powder. If you do this recipe, we'd love to know how it turned out for you, and if you used it on your pets. Our pets personally love it. I don't know why they love the smell of baby powder. I guess it's relaxing, refreshing to them. But we use this one and we use one other one that we'll get to later on. And if there's anything in particular that you want to see made, just let us know. Next, we're going to be doing some oatmeal soap made with real oatmeal. But in the meantime, you can find us on goimagine.com/thescentedangels, amazon.com/thescentedangels, and our website, thescentedangels.com. You can also find us on all social medias at The Scented Angels. And follow us on our journey, and we'd love to have you along with us. But I'm going to finish this off. We're almost there. So yeah, we'd love to have you follow us on our journey, and you know where to find us. In the meantime, ta-ta.